Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You've signed in and located the workbook. Now begin editing. Open the file in Excel for the web and immediately check that it's stored in OneDrive so autosave works. Make a copy or rename the document to preserve the original. This protects you from accidental data loss. Once done, glance at version history and file size limits. It prevents sync failures later. Make sure collaborators aren't editing critical cells at the same time before you proceed to structural changes. You're now updating content. Type, paste, or import data and rely on autosave to keep edits safe. Update formulas and named ranges carefully. Excel for the web recalculates automatically, but check links to external workbooks so nothing breaks. Protect important ranges with sheet protection when multiple people edit, and use comments or at mentions to assign follow-ups. Once you finish major changes, save a checkpoint by creating a new version in version history so you can revert if needed. Finish by reviewing and confirming values, charts, and pivot tables, then export as XLSX or PDF for distribution. Once done, verify print layout and page breaks to avoid surprises. If collaborators made conflicting edits, use version history to compare and merge changes, accept the most accurate version. If you encounter sync or save errors, check OneDrive connectivity, sign out and back in, or download and upload a copy as a quick fix. This usually restores normal syncing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.